Hello, everyone. My name is Azuka Amaka Ngige. I am an American Heart Association funded postdoctoral research fellow within the Division of Cardiology at Johns Hopkins University. The research we'll be presenting at the American Heart Association Scientific Sessions 2025 is on the effect of carbohydrate quality and quantity on someone's predicted risk of a cardiovascular disease event. So research has shown or has suggested that lowering carbohydrate quantity may improve cardiovascular disease risk factors like hypertension and LDL. However, the evidence on lowering carbohydrate quality is still mixed. So, carbohydrate quality in this case, we're using glycemic index as a measure. Glycemic index is a measure of how quickly your blood sugar levels are raised after you consume a carbohydrate containing food. So, for example, something with a high glycemic index would be white rice as opposed to brown rice, which would be lower glycemic index. So, our research is using the AHA's new Prevent Risk calculator to calculate the predicted risk of having a cardiovascular disease event. The Prevent Risk calculator includes some variables like your age, um, your gender, your HDL level, triglyceride levels, blood pressure. So we kind of looked at whether lowering the quantity of carbohydrates or lowering the glycemic index would cause a reduction in someone's predicted risk using this risk calculator. So, what we found was that lowering carbohydrate quantity, that's how much carbohydrates you're consuming, as opposed to lowering the quality, that's the type of carb you're consuming, was found to lower people's predicted risk of a heart attack or a stroke when we use the prevent risk equation. So, what's next? We're trying to look at what part of the equation, the modifiable parts of the equation, such as someone's blood pressure, LDL levels, HDL levels, triglyceride levels, is most implicated in driving this risk score. Thank you.